Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today's video is going to be on this wig. This wig is from Ali Pro Hair and this is the 8x5 closure Ocean Wave wig. This wig came pre-plucked, pre-styled, pre-bleached, pre-cut and also pre-curled. So I didn't really have to do too much curling. I just added some layers and framed my face, and yeah, this is pretty much it. This is 24 inches HD lace, also 250% density, so it's pretty full. Obviously it's been curled, so it does have some volume. I would love to see what it feels like when it does drop. I love this whole like curtain bangs, you know, style. So I'm still kind of playing around with it, but this is pretty much what I did. So I'm gonna go straight into the video. The wig comes like this, already curled, makes it easy for you to style. So I'm obviously gonna brush these out because, you know, we're not gonna wear it like this, but this is how it came in the box. So I'm just going to, so this is the lace. I'm going to obviously cut off the lace, like make it less rigid. We are going to try and shape this, give it some layers at the top just so I can frame my face a little bit better. I should probably change my top so you can see the hair better. Because the hair is already curled, I don't really have to do too much. I'm really happy. I don't have to curl the whole thing. I just had to do the top, the front. I may have to cut some more out just based on how this is looking. Might have to trim some more here, maybe. So this is the finished look. I really like this. Quality of the hair is absolutely superb. It really takes to my curling wand really well and everything. So yeah, I mean, Ali Pearl always good quality hair. I've never had an issue with their hair. So yeah, I will list everything down below. I kind of wish I got a bit of a longer length now, just based on the curls, but this is cute. If you like this hair pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-styled wig, low maintenance, then I would definitely say get this. 8x5 closure, so it's not like a frontal, which could be a little bit more high maintenance. I feel like the curls are gonna stay for a while based on how it came in the packaging. That is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.